My dear students, I'm going to discuss about the chapter 1 subjective question. First question, define system software. So the answer is a collection of programs that controls over all the operation of the system is called system software. Next question, what is hardware? An example of hardware. The physical devices, parts, and peripheral which we can touch and see are called hardware. Keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU, etc. are known as hardware. Now we are going to define software. A collection of programs which help computer to do different type of process by manipulating different devices is called software. There are two types of software. One is application software, another is system software. Now we are going to talk about the memory. Memory is the location where we store data in computer. There are two types of memory. One is primary memory, another is secondary memory. This answer you will find in the page number 3, where it is being given the difference between the hardware and software. The points mentioned, it is required to store and run software. It refers to the program that enable a computer to perform a specific task. Point number 2, hardware starts functioning once a software is loaded. Software is installed on the hardware to deliver its set of instructions. Hardware is a physical in nature. Software is logical in nature. There are more chances of failure in hardware devices. Software does not have a failure rate and hence it's more reliable. Hardware component can be seen and touched. Software can be viewed at the time of execution or loading. Here 5 points are mentioned. You can mention any 3 points. Next question, difference between system software and application software. System software, program designed to create environment for the user to interact with the computer. Application software, program designed to perform a specific application like writing, drawing, doing some kind of calculation, etc. System software, it controls the system and it's independent, whereas application software is dependent on operating system. Question number 3, read access memory and read only memory. Actually, read access memory is a wrong word mentioned here. It should be random access memory. There is no read access memory. It's a random access memory. So that RAM stands for random access memory. Okay. So here in your book, this particular word is a wrong word. Okay. So you should check that in the question paper also it has mentioned wrongly. So we will cover over here. There are 2 points mentioned in the page number 6. Data or instruction can randomly be read as well as written into it. And read only memory, the stored information can only be read but new information cannot be written onto it. Next, any information stored in it is lost when the power supply is switched off. This is the meaning of volatile. The information in RAM remains intact even if the power supply is switched off. Next question is primary memory and secondary memory difference. Page number 6. It is the main memory of the computer. Primary memory, it's the main memory of the computer. Secondary memory, it's the auxiliary memory from where stored data can be retrieved. Means auxiliary means additional memory. Primary memory, data and instruction get erased as soon as the computer is switched off. Secondary memory, data or instruction are stored for future use even when the computer has been switched off. Now the long answer question. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. Explain. Answer. The blending of software and hardware gives life to a computer system. Though hardware is a physical part of a computer system, it is nothing unless it has a software to control it. In a way, hardware is like a car without a driver. Software is a set of instructions that tells hardware what to do and how to perform the requested actions. Hence, both are essential to get the work done. Next question. What is a modem? What are its types? Explain. To communicate between the two computers, we need signals. A modem is a device that modulates outgoing signals from a computer or other digital device to analog signals and demodulate received signal into digital signals. There are three types of modems. 1. Internal modem. 2. External modem. 3. USB modem. Next question. What is meant by the term ports? Explain the different types of ports. These are the parts of computer through which we connect different devices. They are also known as communication ports. They are serial port, parallel port, and USB port. Serial ports having 9 pins and 24 pins. It can transfer 8 bits data. Mouse, monitor, etc. are connected through serial ports. Parallel ports are having 24 female pins, connectors, and transfer rate is 8 bits through each connection. So parallel data transfer and works much more faster than serial ports. USB connector avoids any kind of pin configuration and connect different types of devices. Next question. In what ways are DVD more useful than CDs? DVD can store more data and perform superior jobs than CD. High density DVD has more data layer to store high quality data. DVD is much more cheaper than CD as it can store more data. Next question. What are the main functions of CPU? Explain. The microprocessor of CPU consists of ALU, memory unit, and control unit, where ALU processes mathematical and logical operation. CU regulates the function of various devices in a computer system. Memory stores the information and data. It is similar to the human brain.